Jain class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have almost completed the Python. All the whatever chapters we have discussed that is also completed, and a few assignment also we have discussed, and few assignment we have given, and everyone almost done. But today we will review them. Okay, students. So now start whatever you have done. Just match with the whatever I am doing today. Okay, so student, now just going to start. First of all, we just sharing this PDF file. Okay, student, and everyone have a book. Okay, now students, see everyone, almost when the chapter we have started, today is the last class of this chapter, so we just review this one. Input, process and output we have completed. About the Python we have told you, and how to build up the programming this one, how to install, and what a component of Python we have already discussed: title bar, menu bar, working with file menu, working with edit menu, help menu, script area, and there is status bar. Python programming in interactive mode and also script mode. Okay, there is given use of interpreter, and this is the only basis on interpreter, because line by line we are getting the answer. Okay, and also their error. Print function, how to use the print function we have already learned. Main important is Python is a case sensitive programming language. That is very important, because it means there is difference between the capital letters and small letters. Suppose print, we talk about print is always, this is keyword, is a small letter. If you will write the P the capital, so it did not work as a command. It will work as only the simple keyword, only word. Okay. Now program we have discussed, calculator we have made, multiply, divide, slash. Okay, this program we have done, and how what is the use of the variable in Python. Also we have assignment of operator, how we can use the assignment operator, what the meaning of the assignment operator, what are rules of them, and how to write the variable name, and why we cannot write the region is we have discussed. And students, after that, script mode we have discussed, interactive mode and script mode, that is we have done. How to run, how to use the run command or run module in the script mode, also we have done, students. And practice time also we have done. It's data types we have learned, basic data types in Python: integer, long integer, these all are font, float, string. Input function also we have completed. Then after that, after input function, this practice time we have done. Print function with the slash t slash n we have discussed, and few commands also we have done, students. And everyone, I think everyone have written the true false MCQ, application based question, multiple choice question, answer the following question, everyone written. Okay, and these things we have discussed on that day, students, and means previous class. So now we are going to discuss this one. Rewrite the following statement after correcting them. Rewrite, that means it is not right as a correct form. Students, everyone see the page number, this is given 114. Now I am showing students how to do this. This one is the Python. Yes, students. See one on your book, students. This things is given. This how to write this. Okay, students. Whatever the written, first of all, I am showing this. There is given 10 A, question number A. This is question number B part A. 10 equal C. See, students, what happened? Syntax error cannot assign to literal. We cannot start. This is not defined. If you write like this, C equal 10. See this, what happened? Now it is the correct word, because no error we are getting. If 50 equal A, if you will write, what happens, students? That error will show. But if you will write A equal 50, error will not show. Clear? So this is the correct order. This is the correct form we will write. Python can understand by this way. Because every integer value is stored in the variable. We cannot show the cannot a variable, a numeric value can store a variable. Okay, understood? So that's why we are taking the variable value. Now next one is given print India. You everyone can see P is the capital. Print India. Say this students, what happened? There's given name error name print is not defined. If you will write the place of print, that is capital P, because this is case sensitive, so small p, print. See this. Now color has been changed of print function. Now we can see that India we have got. Okay, there is given print is capital letter, so it is not like a command of print, it is like a word. But now this print or this print, they're different. This color has been changed. Okay, so students know everyone, P always will write in small letter because this is the case sensitive language. Next one is the print age is given. The same function, print, then age. So now what happened? Again, print is not defined. So again we will write print, then age. Again the same form, print is we have given, age is not defined. Okay, so we will write print, okay students, this is the problem. Capital P we have taken and the age is not correct form we have written. Next, if print we have written the as a whatever the command should be there, so but age is the problem. Now age we have corrected, then age we are getting. So understood students, by this way we will write. Clear? Next one is given students, corrected also students, this is the correct word. C equal 10, this is the correct in your book also students. The notebook everyone have book, so C equal 10 write. Print, that is given here, a small p, a capital P is given, so you have to write print India, a small p. Okay, and then after that what is given here, this is print area, you will write this one, and print age is given, so what should be correct form? Print age, this is the correct form. Okay, now next is also correct it. What is the problem here? A equal 10 is given. Next one is given B equal 20. Next one is A plus B equal C. A plus B equal C. Then print C. See this. Now syntax error. A plus B always stored in a variable. So its correct form is C equal A plus B. This is the correct form. So correct it this one students. Then print is print C. Print C. 30 we have got. So students, A equal 10 it is correct, B equal 20 it is correct, A plus B equals C it is not correct. You will write like this, C equal A plus B. Then print C, then we will get the answer. Clear students? Next one is given, students, CV1. One equal 1, 2 equal 2, 3 equal 1 plus 2. Print 3. First of all, see students, what happened there? One equal 1, 2 equal 2. Okay. Now given 3 equal 1 plus 2. Now it's taken. Now print 3. Clear students? 1 equal 1, this is 1 is a variable. 1 is the only 1 is a variable, but 1 is the numeric. TW2 is a variable 2. 3 equal 1 plus 2. So 1 value is 1, 2 value is the 2. So 3 equal 1 plus 2, that is 3, and we are doing the print 3, so what will come? 3 will come. The same way, hello equal double quotes, okay, not given anything, world next one is given hello world, equal hello plus, okay, hello plus then plus world, then C string, hello world equal hello plus world, then print hello world this is not defined, that's why not given. If you will write this way, okay, this thing we have already written, okay. Now print say this again because this is not defined, that's why. So now what we'll write, print okay hello world. So this way we will get the answer. So everyone clear, students? So now if you will write this way, you will get the answer. Clear? After that, now the few program is given, students. Give the output. Okay, students, this one you have to write on your script mode. We have given the interactive mode. You have to write the script mode. Now give the output the following commands in the interactive mode. This one is you will write the interactive mode. So see everyone. Now A, it is given lab session. There is given first sequence 2 multiply 3.14 then multiply 5. Student, what happened this? Yes, we have got the answer. Similar 4 plus 5 slash 3 multiply 8 minus 5. Okay, you can see there you are also following the rule of the BODMAS. Okay, when you will check it, you can get the answer as the same. Let's say interactive mode we have done it now. Now 2 multiply 3.4 multiply 5. Okay, 5 to the 10. So 3.14. You can see students. 3.14. 5 to the 10. 31.40 something is coming because 5 for 20 is also given. Clear? And here 4 plus 5, the 5 oblique 3 will give, so what will get? 3 1 3, and the also multiply 8 is given, so after divide, then multiply, then plus, then minus. This is rule of the BODMAS. You can check also better. Clear? Next one is given, write the code for the following program using the script mode. First of all given, write a program to find the product of two numbers x and y where x equal 150 and y equal 200. So there is given we want to find the product of two numbers, that is x and y, in which x is given 150 and y equal 200. So we have to do, students, this is the script. This is written that file and go on the new file, because we have to do in this script mode. So x equal 150, then y equal 200. Then we want to multiply. So z equal x multiply y. Then print z. You can see x equal 150 we have taken, y equal 200, and z equal x multiply y. Then print z. Okay. Now run. First of all, we have to save it. So then there is the al1 dot py. Say students, 30,000. You can see also here its output, 150 into 200. Yes. Okay, students, if you are using, I am deleted this one, input a equal x equal integer input enter your first number. Okay, in the same way, y equal input enter your second number. Here one bracket should be more. Here also. Then x into y. So we will take z equal x multiply y print z. Now we will see what happened. Suppose 100, 200. What happened? 20,000 we have got. It means, students, by input, we can also keep it, students, this way, and after that, students, where the, yes, this one is given, program two numbers with the, write a program to find the product two numbers x and y, where x equal 150 and y equal 200. So students, now we have done. Next one is, it takes 3 hours to drive a distance of 192 km on a motorway. Create a program to calculate average speed in km per hour. So students, now the same, going to next program, file, new file. Okay. What we have to do, no need to, you will keep new file. I am writing the same. Here given the speed is asking, average speed is asking, and given the time, so we will write here t equal int. Their value is given, so but we are taking the as an input. Now enter time. There should be double quotes. Enter time. Okay. Next one is the time we have given, distance d equal input, enter, distance. Okay, now you know that students what we have to do. We want to find the average speed, so average a s. See what happened, that is the it should taken as equal maybe keyword, we have to t, is the time d, so d oblique d slash s t, print average speed comma then as. Now we want to run it, run, yes, invalid syntax, d is the invalid syntax showing. Why you know students, because we have taken yes, this 2 times it should be braces. Run, time, suppose there is given in your book 3 hours and distance is given 192. We can do anything, but regarding your book there is given, so I am writing here student. See, a 64 has got. Okay, so by this way, by input we can find. We have given the this its input section. It is another way. We are not written the directly way. We are by input. We will find the its average speed. Clear students? So now next students, to calculate and print the circumference and area of the circle. Same way students we have to do. When we talk about the radius r, depend on the r students. Wait. There is given to calculate and print the circumference and area of the circle. Okay. File, new file. There is given circumference. So there need of the in both cases area of circle or circumference of circle, radius. So we have to write r equal integer input enter radius. Okay, next one is students, r it is enough. Now we know circumference of circle is the c equal 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, pi value is the 22/7. So we will write the c equal 2 multiply bracket 2 multiply 22 multiply r close bracket slash then 7, 22/7, 22, their pi value is 22/7, so we have to write 7. Okay, now what you want to find? Area, a equal pi r square, so pi r square 22 multiply r is the 7 r square, that is 7 is 2 times 7 multiply 7, then what we will write now students? Pi r square, so oblique 7. Okay, print circumference of circle, comma, then here write the C. Okay, then print area of circle, area of circle, that is A. Run yes, R1, the R1 is already given, so A1 dot py. Now we have saved. Yes, why showing the invalid? Students, because there is the second run module. See students, radius, suppose 7 we have given. Yes, 44. Yes students, whatever we have done here. Yes students, see. If you have written the 7, so R is 7, 7, 7 cancel, 22, 2 44. And here also 7 cancel, then 154 will come. So you can see answer. Now we have got the area of circle and circumference of circle, students. Next one is given, students. To input the roll number, name and marks in 5 subject of a students, calculate the total percentage marks of the students. So students, how to do, students? See everyone now. Suppose I'm okay, name. So n equal these things we have done, students. Input, enter, enter, your name. Now you are asking about the age, roll number. So first I'll give a roll number, name, okay, roll number, then R equal, first you can write the roll number, no problem, better. Input, enter, your roll number. Okay, now here saying that marks in 5 subject. Suppose we start from E equal, E for English, students, INT, integer type, input, English marks. English marks, same way, students, H equal, input, Hindi marks, then maths, integer, input, maths marks, then student science, S, sorry, input, science marks, Okay, then after that computer, C, input. This is case sensitive, just keep in mind students. I've written the I is capital, so it's not showing the like that color. This is the computer marks. Okay, there should be students, two brackets should be here. Start from here, na? Integer we have taken. Yes, now till here completed. Now we have taken the values. Now we want to print them. Okay, so print, start from my name is there is given the name N, so comma N, print roll number, roll number is, then comma R we have given. Okay students, now marks, print print English, here given the E, print given here Hindi, H, print given students here after Hindi maths, comma M. Yes, here comma is not given. Students, keep in mind in all the syntax, that is very important. You can see here what I forget here, maths, then after that science, comma, then should be S, print, then students given computer, then comma C. Okay, now we have entered. Now we want to find the total. So T equal, students we will write E plus M, this is capital, E plus M plus, sorry, first of H, then plus M plus S plus C. Okay, then percentage P equal T oblique 5. We have got 5 subject we have taken, no? So we are writing it this way. Now print students total marks, total, comma, that is T, then print percentage, P. Now students want to run it. Say student name Abhishek. Okay, now roll number 12, enter marks, suppose there is given the 90, in every subject we are giving the 90. See this, My name is Abhishek. My roll number is 12. English marks 90, Hindi marks 90, Maths 90, Science 90, Computer 90. Total marks 4450 and percentage 90. Clear students? So this way now your this assignment is completed, students. You have to practice, students. That is very important. And after that, now this one is, students, each and every one we have completed now this chapter. Okay, students, assignment work also we have completed. So now up till now Python is completed, students, over. You have to practice, that is very important, students, and I think everyone started learning. Okay, and from next class we're just going to start the internet services. So students, read also that chapter, new chapter, and practice whatever we have told today. Clear, students? So now I'm leaving the class, students. Jai Hind class. Thank you, students.